In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play two-player chess here on chess.com in both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, two-player chess is where you can control both the white and the black pieces, making moves for each side, switching back and forth. This is obviously great for practice, analysis, or teaching, or even just playing with your friends. And this works pretty much the exact same on both chess.com on the PC and on mobile. But essentially what you're going to want to do is get on the homepage of chess.com and just hover over this section right here, starting with this learn section. If you hover over it, you may see there's a tab on here for classroom. If that's on here, just go ahead and select that. If not, don't worry, just hover over this more tab right here, open it up, and then if you scroll through here, you'll see not only classroom on here, but you'll also see another tab for explorer. Go ahead and open both of these options up for you. And once you open this up, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And as you can see on this page right here, you're going to see a new room section. Go ahead and select that. From here, it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this. And as you can see, you can move both the black and the white pieces just like so. On mobile, it's the exact same way. Just look specifically for the Explore or the Classroom option. Open it up, and it's going to work the exact same way. If you did have any questions, though, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.